Hello guys! In today's videos we are playing Rivals because I like Rivals. And I'm of course gaming because that's what I said I'm going to do for a while, to see how that's gonna go. Also because I genuinely like Roblox. But today we're going to play Rivals, and I think Pro ate too many tomatoes. Anyways. So, anyway, get out. So, anyways, we're going to play Rivals, 1v1, because I have nothing better to do. Yeah, I also changed the avatar, as you can see, because of something, because I like Denmark. Probably because I am from Denmark. It's a really interesting place I chose to start the video. I could have also chosen here. Oh, that would have been much cooler. Like, okay, no. That just, the fuck? That just looks like I'm some old man in like dark forest or some shit like that. Anyways, that's not what I didn't want to do that. Anyway. That's what we're gonna do. Whee! We're going to 1v1 people. Play in 1v1. Waiting time. I hard go from what? Oh, okay. Okay, min vän. Now I do not know how long this video is gonna last. Just so you guys know. Oh dang it! Just so you guys know. So yeah. And I am not good at this game. At least not that good. So I hear somebody being. Yeah! Okay, I shouldn't get too hyped yet. Show my try. Hehehe. Hello. Oh. Wait. Oh. Hi. Okay, that's good. I love blue. What? What are you doing? Ah! I'm good. No. Yes! Me kidly spamming the RPG. Ah, come here! Why don't you just like get away from there? Yeah, goodbye. Shit! Well, that wasn't very good, was it? Man, get out! Why am I hiding? Come here! Did you just hear an explosion after the round? Oh. I think Bro gave up. Task completed. You've earned +4 keys. Nice! I love keys! Wait. No, that looks ugly. Anyways, I'm not going to use the video for decorating my guns, even though I really do like that. So I am planning on like laying out a YouTube shorts about some good skins you could put on your guns to make them look good. Because I have some really good ideas. Anyways, play. No. Okay, you know what? It's fine. I said we were going to play 1v1 in this video, but I think we're going to play 1v2. Because I accidentally clicked the... No, not 1v2. 2v2 button. Yeah. I better not get a bad teammate, bro. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Backrooms. Please. No. Anything else but crossword. Okay, you know what? It's fine. Okay, no, it's not. I do not know how to work with that shit. Water. Let's cook them! No! Don't. Please don't do that. Please don't use sniper. Fuck! Oh. My brother's floating in the air. You know, buddy, those tattoos better do something. No. What was that sound? Oh god. Ah! Yeah. Behind you, bro. Oh god. Who's behind you now? Oh my god, is that meme reference? No. You don't know what he said. Come here. No! It's gonna come there, isn't it? No! Oh wait. No. Okay, you can do. Yay! Okay. Okay, maybe we do have a chance. Fire! Ah! Shit. Oh. Hi. Okay. I knew it! We did have a chance! I'm always... Okay, not always right. Sometimes right. Whee! Oh shit. No, not the sniper! I don't want the sniper! Where is he? Come here. What is he? No. Reload. Shit. Nah! That wasn't good. Oh. Well, match point. Okay, I think I'm gonna win. Yeah, definitely gonna win this. If we're not, then we're just... Yes. Okay, okay. I don't like the Tutsi. Let me see those. Those assistants. Okay. I'm going to leave that one and play the one that I'm actually going to play. Oh, wait. No. Wait. You know what? Tier against the war. What? It's very what? Okay, you know what? I don't know about this. 2v2. No. I don't wanna be in the party. Anyways. Sorry, my dude. What the fuck? Oh. It's a puppy! Oh. He doesn't have a shirt on. That's not that good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, I don't wanna! What the fuck was that voice? Come on, yes. No, back rooms. Back room. Oh yeah! I love back rooms. Not in real life though. Oh god, I forgot. This is big back rooms. Fuck. Okay. This is... Where is that guy? Oh. That was embarrassing. Hit the dice. Come on. Yay. Okay. No. Yes. Okay. Okay, now you're... Well, at least he killed someone. And he better not leave. He's under the speed of leaves this one. Oh my god, his face. You know what? I love that guy. I am now officially in a wedding with him. I love him. I just decided. Oh my god. No! Again. Oh. cars, okay. Lemon! Probably gone like 15 minutes or something. Where are they? Oh, thank you. Now where's that? Okay, we don't have to rub it in their face. Okay, maybe we do, but GG. The thing only annoying people say. Assistance. Oh damn. Okay, play again. Yo, it's the. Oh, that's fine. Anyways. Oh my god! I'm teleporting! Oh my god. I'm gonna die. Oh, probably am. Backrooms. No. No, not crossroads. Please. No. No! I'm so bad at crosswords. It better be my teammate who chose this map. Ah. Hehe. Because I do not remember who chose this map. So if it was you who chose the map, that's then I believe that you know what you're doing. How the fuck? That was the most stupid way I've ever died. Okay, kill someone. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Okay, I think I have a good teammate. We might have a chance. Nice. Where? No! Okay, that did not do a shit. That's fine. Why do I keep laughing like that? Oh! No. I gotta stop just running towards the sniper. That's not... Oh, they die. Oh, wait. Yeah, maybe. No! I don't wanna fall for the sniper again. I don't wanna... I hear someone. Ah! I don't like all the footsteps. Oh, he's right over there. I'll go to him. Hi, brother. Oh. You know. You follow me. Come here. No. Bro. Oh, okay. Yeah, fine. Oh! Sniper. sniper, 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 sniper. You know what? You better. Where is... Oh! Voila! Shit. Oh! Hi, sisters! Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Okay, thank you. Oh! 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 Stay alive! 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 No. Just don't be stupid. Just don't. Not stupid. Hi, sister. Why didn't I? Okay. Why are you going in the fire? Why is he going in? I do not like that. Okay. No. Okay, you know what? I'll follow him. I'll follow him. Okay, goes. That was not good. Come on, come on, come on. Oh! No. Anyways. That was something, to say the least. But I need a place to. Yeah, sure. Come on. So. No. Oh my god. You know, I'm just gonna. No. No. Oh, it's because I'm using the wrong one. Ah! Yo, also, comment how many times I said no in this video. Because I'm genuinely curious. And, the person who comments and gets right, gets the honor of getting it right. Yeah. Is this the right one? I think it was Fizz, and then, yeah. I should. Die? Oh, quick. Wait, no, not the end. Oh. The purple one! Come on. No. Guys, don't mind me again. No, wrong one! Why the Yeah, there we go. Okay, anyways, guys. Okay, that was not. Okay, I need to say it fast. Let me think. Anyways, guys, I think that was done for this video. Anyways, bye!